It was signed in March. What's happening now?
Well, we have that children up to the age of 26. I have a hard time using the word children for people 26 years old. But those dependents up to the age of 26 are now eligible to be on their parents' insurance. There are people with pre-existing conditions, especially children, are now able to be covered. And in response to some of the changes that are already being made, these changes and others, insurance companies have dropped child-only policies because it's really expensive to not be able to say no to people. So they have to provide the same coverage and at low prices to be able to meet the federal guidelines. And so that's the one side. And then on the side of the non-positive things that are happening with the bill, is that a number of insurance companies and companies are taking a look at what their policies are, and the Locke Foundation is its insurer is principal, and they have said that they're no longer going to be providing insurance within the next year, by 2012. So we're starting to look at our insurance options, and other companies are facing the same dilemma. We saw McDonald's and a number of larger companies that have part-time employees that offer limited benefit plans get an exemption. So 30 large employers are getting an exemption from federal mandates, and that leads to the other aspect of all of this, which is that when you take a look at these rules, nobody knows what's there because, one, they're being written, and two, even as they're being written, they're being revised and people are being given waivers, especially at the larger corporations. So it's all a big mess still, and nobody's really sure what's coming down and when things are kicking in.